Massachusetts started building its health insurance exchange in early 2010 with the goal to create a platform that could benefit other states. Manu Tandon, the state secretariat CIO for the Office of Health and Human Services, shares the details on how one platform could pave the way for many.
And our charge from the federal government at the time was to build it in a reusable manner. What that basically means is that the underlying components that make up the exchange needs to be service-oriented, needs to be written with web services, essentially need to be engineered in a manner that they could be reused elsewhere.
Massachusetts built its exchange from the ground up, using custom development and open-source products when possible to support the reusability concept.
Think about the exchange, it's really made up of about 37 different components or things. If you're building a house, you need 37 different pieces of brick, if you may, to build the wall. And 25 of those are not state specific at all. In other words, 25 of those are going to be the same no matter which state is going to be building them. So the point is, if we have built it once, let's take that, put together the bricks that are state specific, assemble a full unit solution, and then make it available.
So how can you take advantage of the reusable pieces? While the state is working with federal agencies to determine the best process for that, for exchange versions going forward, Manu described how that process might work.
Either we're going to have to designate an entity who would take over the business of making the reusable components available, support them, provide guidance to states that want to use it. We have to create a fully viable option, which is available for states. So I think that is what we need to be focusing on in the next couple of months, so that when the next wave of states start for 2014 and 15 and beyond, they have a place to go to that can tell them exactly what they're going to get, when they're going to get it, what is it that they need to do on their side.